So I've decided on a bit of a workaround. The display is quite noisy, and so what I decided to do was to just blank the display when the receiver is idle, and just light up the display with the frequency when you're tuning. So there's a dot that moves across the display, just indicating that the receiver is powered up. But that dot doesn't really create any buzzing. And then if I turn the encoder, the display comes back on for 3 seconds. So while you're tuning around, it's a little bit fast. It needs to probably be 6 or 8, 10 seconds. So while you're tuning around, you get a display. The other thing is that if you go to transmit, you get the display. Display comes back on when you revert to receive. And you can hear what a difference it makes. I'll take the antenna off. So we've just got this receiver noise. So all we're hearing now is receiver noise. And I'll just go into transmit. So back into transmit. Send a few characters on the DIT key. Display comes on with a big buzz, then drops out, and the buzz drops out. Put the antenna back on. So that's a makeshift workaround. Oh, there's someone transmitting. Well, that was convenient. There's a QSO going on between a couple of VK2s just to demonstrate. So that's my temporary workaround, and until such times I can put some proper filtering on the OLED, and I'll just adjust the timing so it isn't quite as brutally short.
Hey, that's one of the better sims, believe me. We've had a couple of cardiac arrests down here too, Pete. There wasn't any time for that up here.